In the last unit, we constructed the ground floor and have, for example, adjusted the height of the foundation slab to the lower default plane of the ground floor. Allplan gives you the possibility of defining these default heights in a plane model. The plane model has many advantages. For example, the components are automatically placed at the right height while drawing. In case you wish to change the heights during the course of your work, I can change the standard story heights with a simple mouse click and all components are adjusted automatically. Or I can add an entire story to a building and all existing stories that lie above this new story are adjusted automatically. Let's have a look at the plane model. By double-clicking in the empty space of the floor plan, the building structure is opened. Here we deactivate the structural level Unit 5, ground floor. We open the structural level 6, detached house, activate the ground floor, and set the drawing file 651, ground floor plan, to active. As you can see, the structural level of the ground floor has already been given heights for the bottom and top edges. If you touch the values with the cursor, Allplan 2009 shows you that they belong to the plane model detached house and that the names are bottom level ground floor and top level ground floor. Let's take a closer look. For this, we open the plane manager. I would like to make a few small changes. As you can see, the plane model already defines all the relevant heights for our house. For each story, a pair of planes with the heights for the upper plane and lower plane has been defined. Here the story heights can easily be adjusted. I will enter 3.2 meters, for example. The planes that lie above the story should be adjusted towards the top. Very simple. But we do not really want to make any changes and exit the dialog by clicking Cancel. In the building structure, I can easily assign planes to drawing files. But I do not want to change anything and exit by clicking Cancel. How can I define the height of the components by using the default plane? Let's take a look at the height specifications of this window here. I click on the window with the right mouse button and open the Properties dialog. Here we can set the height of the window. In this case, the bottom edge of the window is set at a distance of 1.35 meters from the bottom plane. The top edge was defined by a fixed component height of 1.4 meters. This means that the top edge of the window is set to 1.4 meters above the bottom edge of the window, independent of the height at which the floor slab is located. The upper plane of the story does not influence the height of the window in this case. Alternatively, I can enter an absolute height to render the plane model ineffective. Select Cancel twice to exit the dialog without making any changes. Using the same method, we can check the height association of a wall. The plane model operates in a simple manner and allows for one pair of planes per document, drawing file. But architecture is often more complex than this. There are height offsets, multi-story spaces, and inclined roofs. For this, Allplan offers the so-called custom planes and the roof planes for creating attic stories. The site is inclined downward towards the south, so we would like to lower the living area. The function Custom Planes can be found in the module General Roof Plane Sections in the Create area. Here I go to the properties and change the heights of the upper plane to 2.6 meters and the lower plane to minus 0.65 meters. Now we'll simply click on the corner point down here at the right and then go towards the left to this corner point here. The next point is the intersection point of these two lines. Here continue to the point at the bottom left of the glass wall. Now all that is missing is the intersection of these two lines and then go back to the starting point to complete the selection. Now press Escape twice. As we can see in the animation, the walls that were within our selection frame have now been lowered by 50 centimeters. In order to understand the custom planes and their consequences quickly, a few other custom pairs of planes have been prepared for you in this drawing file. I move the influence frame of the pair of custom planes to different places in the floor plan. Watch the way the components are adjusted. By using the undo function, the pair of custom planes is moved back to its original position.